So, today we're going to be playing Slime Rancher. I need to quickly open it real quick. There it is.
Don't burp.
Okay, I'll try. It's opening up. Now you guys see it. Okay. Should I click? Turn that up. You guys can't hear it, but we can. That was loud. You guys can't hear it, but maybe turn desktop audio up. Oh, you guys can probably hear it through the mic, so I'll just try it anyway. Yeah, that didn't.
You let me.
Asher, can I record? I'm trying to record here.
Okay.
Okay, anyway, I'm on the wrong save game file. I think, yeah. You might be wondering how I have so much coins. Yes, I was looking at our other monitor that has our recording on it, but now I'm looking at you.
Might be wondering why. You're gonna see in just a second.
Yeah, we have so many coins, and we're about to show you why we have so many. Let's just load up Slime Rancher real. No! It's doing this thing again.
This is will Slime Rancher crash?
I'm just closing. Okay, now I'm gonna reopen up Slime Rancher.
Why?
Because now it's opened.
Now you guys should see it.
Right click, right click, right click, right click, right click.
As you can remember, less than 30 minutes.
Okay,
It's been 2 minutes.
yeah. I can't see how long it's been in the video. I don't know where it is, but I'll just. Oh, now it's been 3 minutes. But guys, you see this mods option? You're gonna see what mods we have downloaded.
I'm just press it. Show them.
Cool Doggos, Murrackles, Quicksilver Rancher, Cube Slimes, Market Expander, Mower Commands.
Wait, what's Market Expander?
Expands the plural.
Yes, I'll show you that.
More commands. Pure Saber Slime, Salty Slime, Science Favorites, Shiny Slime, Singularity Slime, Slime Collection, Superjet Power Rangers, Twinkle Slime, Vacuable Crates, Vacuable Toys, and Weather Mod. Okay,
Isaac, I want to make sure that there are no mods in the deactivate.
there isn't. So we're opening up the save game file. Last time it crashed while trying to open, maybe because I'm in an extremely laggy spot. No, wait, huh? Well, yeah, I don't want to do this.
This isn't the save game.
I kind of could do my commands there, but not as fun as having so many coins. You guys are gonna see why I have that many coins.
Please don't crash. Please don't crash.
Please don't crash. Don't crash, don't crash, don't crash. No, it crashed.
Wait for the program to respond.
No.
Yes. No. Yeah.
It's not gonna work. Windows is reporting this to Microsoft a lot.
Windows is Microsoft.
Microsoft owns Windows. That's why it's reporting it to Microsoft. Microsoft is going to hop onto Windows 10, log into our account, and then find the problem. That'd actually be kind of weird. Why would Microsoft go onto our Windows account?
I don't know what I'm doing. I'm doing weird. I'm doing whatever.
Guys, we're still trying to load into this one save game file. It's been 5 minutes, and we're trying to load into one save game file. If this crashes one more time, I'm going to load into a different save game file. I'm watching the mouse to see if it goes into the blue spinning wheel thingy. Don't happen, please. It's gone.
Wait, it might be good.
No, it's still there.
It's still there.
Please don't turn into the blue spinning wheel. Please don't. Please don't. Yes, I'm looking at you, but now I'm looking at the mouse again. Please don't. Yes! Oh yeah, I forgot. Rancher is on and they spawned a bunch of chickens. I want to see the market expander. Hey, Twinkle Slime, come back here. I have no idea why it's not discovered, but sell the Twinkle Slime. Look, it's this. This is what the mod does.
Just add that.
Sell it? Okay. I thought it would make the marketplace bigger. Well, it doesn't go up to 999999999. So that's good. I guess. I'm gonna go over to where my saber slimes are real quick. Yeah. Should I just spawn it? Yeah, I'm probably. Yeah. Spawn and 100. That's about enough. Should give them a lot of food and maybe tar. That's why I have this guy. No.
You guys can't hear the game well.
Yeah.
Put a hydro shirt down.
I was about to say, are you on the tree? Why are there twinkle slime? Is that the one that naturally spawns? That might be the. Wow. Oh yeah, yep. Guys, this isn't supposed to happen, but it happened. I'm gonna hold on to this twinkle slime. You know, I might put you in there, and I have no idea what their diet is. They don't eat anything it says. Calmed tar, yes, you look weird. I'm just gonna spawn in a bunch of food. I have no idea what food they eat, but... Carrot. 100. You know, 100 carrots, that's probably good for them. Why are you singing? Stop it! Oh yeah, you spawn a chime every time. Let's go to the Ogden's area. Let's go to the Ogden's area. You know what? I'm going back to the docks.
Why?
I'm gonna feed my black hole buddy. Because he eats everything. Like, actually. Look. Spawn. He'll eat that immediately, see?
Go to the white hole slime.
No, it won't have any clothes.
How do you know? Isaac, how do you know?
I just do. What if I shoot the chime there? The gadget. What is a music box?
Slime stage?
Oh, I have no idea what a music box is. Oh yeah, I forgot. There we go. You know what? I need to place a gadget site here. Okay, now let's use the music box. Oh, these are coins? I have so many. I think these are broken because they aren't released. Or they're all broken. That's a music box, though. What is this? Oh, it's called something else. And this is where,
That's one of the broken instruments.
yeah, the unreleased trimmings. The unreleased trimmings. There's so many unreleased trimmings. Why is there so many unreleased trimmings? No.
What?
I hear deep. No. That's a copyrighted chime. Okay, I'm gonna run forward.
Ah, you guys don't get it here.
Okay. No!
I'm running away from it. Run. No.
I know how to get rid of it. No, it's still happening. I need to run away. Okay, stop. I know how to get rid of it forever.
If there is no volume, it's Richard.
No! No! I'm turning the main volume down, and I'm also going to turn the desktop audio all the way down, and mic, so you won't be able to hear us, just so we don't get copyrighted. Okay, as you can tell, we just got rid of that item. We have to make sure that it's not there anymore. Seems safe. It's safe. That's a bad chime, okay? What is it even called? Okay, we just don't want to know. It's better that we don't run into it next time we see it. It's better if we don't do that. That one's safe. I know if it's not safe because it'll start doing bad stuff. Oh yeah, I forgot about this. I heard it. No! There's something over there. It's the range exchange. Isaac? What? Change it. Change this?
Yeah.
No, that doesn't do anything.
No, it's definitely that. That is why it sounds like that.
So change it. See? It's still there. Okay. What? We're gonna go and investigate this so desktop audio is gone and mic audio. Seems to be okay. We got rid of it. Well, actually, it stopped playing. Okay, it's good. I'm going to the red. It stays in the green. Guys, we got rid of it.
You can turn desktop audio off.
Well, just to make sure. Okay.
We got Infinite Jet is on.
I need my jetpack right now. There we go. Now I'm hopping into the slime. See, I almost actually landed in that. Watch what happens when I turn on the auto clicker. I mean, the auto clicker app isn't running. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, we have an auto clicker. You know what? I don't want to be here. I just want to be at the ranch. Wait, but we might get copyrighted. Because what if the music starts again?
I'm spawning carrots.
This is gonna be dangerous, but I need to go in here. Okay. Spawn carrot veggie. 100. 100 carrot veggies for you guys. Eat it.
You can destroy that if it only lets you destroy it. See? Okay, pick up.
Huh? Huh?
Do you have more Largos on? As if you have more Largos?
Yes.
Then try and feed a twinkle blower
To one of them. What if I try feeding a twinkle blower to the quantum slime?
Yeah, we can just spawn in crystal.
You know what? I'm gonna walk over all of them.
Now just spawn in lots of crystal plowers.
Wait, what if I feed them a twinkle blower? None of them will eat it. Maybe it's because it's a modded blower.
Okay, Isaac. Spawn in a lot of crystal.
No, I'm gonna vacuum them up. And how many boom slimes I have is how many crystal slimes I'm gonna spawn. I'll spawn in
Times 2.
Yeah, no,
22.
okay, sure. Spawn Rubby
Okay.
slime 22. Some got changed in the middle of spawning, but we can easily fix that. I got towered up by them. You just launched me, and also you did. Perfect. Okay, guys, we're gonna end the video here. Like, subscribe, comment, bye!
Wait. Okay, we will have to take a thumbnail after.
Yeah, by the way, guys, we're gonna make the thumbnail once we start. Well, actually, once we're done eating.
Yeah.
So, bye!
Bye.